In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your brand mark on your canvas and position it precisely where it belongs. First, open Framer and load the project you want to update. Make sure you're on the correct page or canvas where your header or navigation lives. If your project has multiple pages, select the one where the logo should appear so you can see changes in context. Next, open the Insert menu. You'll find it in the Framer interface at the top or side, depending on your layout. This is your toolbox for adding new elements to your design. If you prefer working quickly, you can also use the keyboard shortcut to open Insert, but clicking it works perfectly. From the Insert options, choose Image. This tells Framer you're about to place an image element on the canvas. Selecting Image creates a placeholder that you'll connect to your logo file. If your logo has a transparent background or needs to stay crisp at any size, consider using an SVG. A high-quality PNG also works well if you need a bitmap with transparency. Keep file sizes reasonable to help your site load quickly. Now add your new logo. When the image element is selected, upload your logo file from your computer or pick it from your project assets if you've already uploaded it before. Framer will display the logo inside the image frame. If the logo looks too large or small at first, don't worry, that's normal. You can adjust the image frame size right on the canvas so the logo appears at the scale you expect. For best results, aim for a size that's legible but not overpowering compared to your navigation links. Finally, drag the logo to its location. Click and drag the image into your header or navigation area. If your layout uses frames or auto layout, drop the logo inside the correct container so it stays aligned with the rest of your header content. Watch for smart guides and snapping to help you line things up. Aim for consistent padding from the edges and alignment with other elements like the menu items. If your design includes both a desktop and mobile layout, quickly drag and place it in each relevant frame so the logo sits correctly at all breakpoints. That's it. You've added your logo in Framer, connected the image file, and dragged it into position so it fits your header design cleanly and consistently.